What's up? So this is the social breakfast. Hey there, what's up guys? I'm on my way to the meeting point, Hakata Station, which I consider to be the central station of the city of Fukuoka. See what we got here. I didn't get a chance to film the street views for you guys there. Let's see. Enjoy. So it's my Fukuoka day number 1. Yesterday was day number 0. Well, according to the new koku kanri koku, the stamp they stamped on my passport. That is probably why I name it day number 1 for today. Good, let's see. I think I should turn right. Let's turn right. Come on. Actually, nobody jaywalks here. I consider that another distinct feature of the Japanese people. While in Australia, you tend to see a lot of folks jaywalking on the streets. So head straight and then turn right. Where's the station? It should be somewhere near here, I believe. Where is it? Oh yeah. 地下鉄はここです。ここですかな。For you guys to take a look, the Nishi Nippon City Bank, Hakataza Theater. Okay, somewhere. Somewhere here is it? Shikatetsu. Nakasu Kawabata Station. Yeah. So I just need to purchase the ticket using the ticket machine. Shikatetsu Hakata Riverine Mall. Should be somewhere near here. It's one most good. Fukuoka Ginko. I think you can use this ATM to exchange currency. Fukuoka Ginko. Okay. Let's take a look at this since we still have a little bit of time to spare. Yes, I am scheduled to meet with the tour guide at 9:50 a.m. So now it's 9:37. So let's take a look. Well, it just take around no more than 10 minutes to reach Hakata station, which I consider the central station of the city of Fukuoka. Yeah, like I mentioned previously. Okay, we shall film this spot of sightseeing in more details later. All right, let's roll. So the station name here is Nakasu Kawabata Station. Can you see the kanji, the Romaji, the English translation, and the Mandarin Chinese translation is over there. Yeah. Okay. Let's purchase the ticket. So here is the ticket machine. Yes. Let's insert some coins here. What do we have here? We have several coins here. Give me several seconds. To purchase the ticket. Okay. So here we have the ticket. Let's get to the rolling. Okay, great. Fukuoka Kuko Hakata, yes, Hakata. Fukuoka Kuko, Fukuoka domestic airport, and it takes one more station to reach the international terminal of Fukuoka airport. Never mind. Let's head straight towards Hakata station. ここです。まあ、博多福岡空港ホームでございます。はい。カルド中洲検索。Thank God I've got my Bluetooth earpiece, so I won't look so awkward and weird while I speak to my camera G7X hour shot. You know, as to other people, you know. So I'm still trying to overcome my suicidal fantasies while I'm walking, but never mind, since they got these fences, which adds one more layer of security or sense of security. That's a blessing, so far as I consider and perceive. Don't you think? So in this station, it has free Wi-Fi, high-speed broadband Wi-Fi. Since we are supposed to head towards Hakata Station, so we wait here. Wait at this side, the right-hand side. Yep, the train is coming. A moment of breath. Nakasu Nakashima Machi, Nakasu Gochono. That's the points of interest once you alight at this station. Sounds a bit of a terrifying. You know, it's all right. I have Jesus right on my seat. Come on, give me something. For this part, it says it's a platform for Kaizuka. Noliba means platform, I suppose. Well, it has the translation word to word. So this one, what does it read? It reads Nolikai Dekuchi An. Means transfer and exit guide of transfer and exit. It's written in pretty it's pretty much well written, very highly specified, highly specialized. So you can see the Japanese folks, they are really good at what they do, no matter which profession they choose to make a living. Jesus. So here it comes. Train is coming. Love your ride. Jeez, it's not even the peak hour yet. What does it read? It reads Suisen Nyugaku Shiken kana? So perhaps for a short duration of time, I suppose I need to stop filming because my camera has a time frame limit of filming for around 25 minutes. So in order to conserve some power, I need to shut it down. So if you guys will excuse me for a while, I shall see you again shortly on YouTube. Bye bye.